Welcome to New Zealand, a country full of beautiful views and lively cities. Let's explore the best spots and discover all it has to offer. From quiet, peaceful fjords to busy, welcoming towns. Join us on an unforgettable journey through this amazing land. Before we proceed, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Our first stop is Milford Sound, one of New Zealand's most famous places. Shaped by glaciers thousands of years ago, it's a true natural wonder. Towering cliffs rise from the water, with waterfalls like Stirling, and Bowen Falls cascading down. On sunny days, the water sparkles. On rainy days, the waterfalls come alive, creating a magical mist. Take a boat cruise or go kayaking to experience its magic. Milford Sound is a place that will leave you in awe. Next, we visit Dusky Sound, a quiet and remote treasure. Accessible only by boat, seaplane, or helicopter, it's a place where nature shines. Dense rainforests, rugged coastlines, and abundant wildlife await. Dolphins often swim alongside boats, seals bask on rocks, and penguins waddle along shores. Dusky Sound is perfect for a peaceful escape, offering a glimpse of untouched beauty. Not far away is Doubtful Sound, a place of quiet beauty and mystery. Larger and more secluded than Milford, it's often called the Sound of Silence. Misty mornings and calm waters create a magical atmosphere. Whether cruising the waters or simply sitting quietly, Doubtful Sound is perfect for those who want to relax and connect with nature. It's a place that will stay with you long after you leave. Now let's head to Dunedin, a city rich in history and charm. Known for its Scottish heritage, it's full of beautiful Victorian buildings. One of the highlights is Larnach Castle, New Zealand's only castle, which sits on a hill with stunning views. But Dunedin isn't just about history. It's also a great place for wildlife lovers. Just outside the city, you'll find the Otago Peninsula, home to rare animals like the yellow-eyed penguin and the royal albatross. It's a must-visit for anyone who loves nature. Near Christchurch is Lyttelton, a small port town with a big personality. Nestled in a volcanic harbor, it's a gateway to the Banks Peninsula and a great spot for hiking. The town has a creative vibe with art galleries, cozy cafes, and a lively music scene. It's the kind of place where you can spend hours exploring, enjoying the views and soaking in the local culture. Lyttelton is a hidden gem that's well worth a visit. Next, we head to Wellington, New Zealand's vibrant capital. Surrounded by rolling hills and a beautiful harbor, Wellington is a city full of life. Visit the Tekapo Museum to learn about New Zealand's history. Take a ride on the iconic cable car for panoramic views, or stroll along the waterfront. Wellington is also known for its amazing food and coffee, so be sure to try some local dishes. With its creative energy and stunning scenery, Wellington is a city you'll love exploring. Now let's visit Napier, a city famous for its Art Deco architecture. After a major earthquake in 1931, the city was rebuilt in this unique style. And today it's like stepping back in time. Walk the colorful streets or join a guided tour to learn more about its history. Napier is also known for its wineries. The Hawke's Bay region is one of New Zealand's best wine-producing areas, so don't miss the chance to visit a vineyard and try some delicious wines. Napier is a city that combines history, art, and flavor in a way that's truly special. On the east coast of the North Island is Tauranga, a beach lover's paradise. The highlight here is Mount Maunganui, a volcanic peak that offers incredible views from the top. The hike is worth it, but if you prefer to relax, the Golden Beaches are perfect for sunbathing or swimming. Tauranga is a laid-back city with a friendly vibe, making it a great place to unwind. Whether you're hiking, swimming, or just enjoying the sunshine, Tauranga has something for everyone. Finally, we arrive in Auckland, New Zealand's largest city. Known as the City of Sails, Auckland is surrounded by water and dotted with volcanic hills. Visit the Sky Tower for amazing views, explore the Viaduct Harbor, or take a ferry to Waiheke Island for beaches and wine tasting. Auckland is a city that blends urban life with natural beauty, offering something for everyone. From its bustling streets to its peaceful islands, Auckland is a place you'll want to explore again and again. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel videos. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.